everyone. So for today's video, we must share our blessings because someone shared their blessings too. At yun ay walang iba kundi yung Barangay Captain of Cabarasan, Barugo Leyte, Honorable Sir Bombo Bello. Thank you so much po talaga sir for your unfolding support sa lahat po ng mga kabataan na binibigyan niyo po ng pag-asa nowadays. Pagpalain ka po palagi ng ating Panginoon. Yes! Kaya magpapaluto na lang po ako ng napakasarap na yum burger kasi gusto ko pong ma-experience ng mga kabataan na sa mura nilang edad ay makatikim na sila nito. Kasi kami nung elementary, kadalasan yung snack po namin ay kamote at saging lang po talaga.
Dear, we are not powerful enough to destroy what God has planned in our lives. We are not powerful enough to interrupt the will of God. And we are not powerful enough to delay what is due to happen. Kung inaakala mo na katapusan na ng lahat, kapag napagod ka, naubos ka, at nagkamali ka, let me remind you that God's grace is fresh every day. Pwedeng nagkamali ka, pero hindi yan ang pangalan mo. Pwedeng napagod ka at sumuko ka na, pero hindi pa yan ang destination mo. Pwedeng limot mo na, pero hindi sa Panginoon. Sa dami ng pangalang na ibigay ng mundo sa'yo, iba pa rin ang pangalang ibinigay ng Diyos sa'yo. Failure is not your name. It is not even your tattoo. Your purpose stays when someone leaves. And God's promises stands true over the lies of the enemy. And your calling is greater than your falling. May ikaganda pa ang istorya mo. Tuloy lang, abante pa, traffic pa. Yes! Okay lang na mabagal, basta't umaabante. Aminin mo, na-pressure ka na rin ba? Minsan ka na rin bang pilit nakipag-unahan, pero napagod ka lang? Umuwi kang parang talunan, at hindi alam ang pupuntahan. And if you still don't figure things out in your life, you are still doing fine. A slow progress is still a progress. A slow and steady progress can still make a big difference. Nauna lang sila, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun ay hindi ka na makakarating. Trust the process and don't forget to enjoy it too. There are blessings in your current season that's meant to meet you, to change your heart, to make a bigger space of hope in it, and to align your plans to God's best for you. Do it slowly, in your pace, and in God's time. Minsan agaran, pero madalas dahan-dahan. Mabilis o mabagal man, ay makakarating din.
Ka-perfect ba?